Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I went purposely to repurchase a couple of items that I absolutely love, and in doing so I ended up finding a couple more things. As usual, here is an overview of the things that I did pick up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I picked up a couple of these microfiber mop pad heavy duty. They are by Standard Essential and they work perfectly with the mop that I have, so I'm really glad to be able to pick these up at Dollar Tree. In the baby aisle, I picked up a couple hats, one in blue and one in pink. I also picked up this Pampers Sensitive Fragrance Free wipes. And then I came across this stroller rain cover by Baby's Choice. I hadn't seen this before, and I'm not sure how well it would hold up on a stroller, but I figured for $1.50 I would give it a try. Next, I picked up these Decor Cathedral mirrors, and I have purchased these before. I just decided to include them in the haul because maybe you haven't seen them at your Dollar Tree and this is the first time seeing them. I absolutely love these, and these are great if you're making up gift baskets and you want to include one of these in there. They're great for someone to use in a small space, or also if you want to use them in a DIY project. But they are beautiful just as they are, and they had the white as well as the black. So as you can see, I ended up picking up 4 more of the black and 4 more of the white. Another repurchase are these mirror decor, and I love these as well because you can really use these in so many spaces. I had previously purchased these for our motorhome. Our bathroom is quite small, and in the bathroom, the way they placed the window I thought was really strange placement, so that above the sink you kind of have the window going into where normally you would have a mirror. So there was only a thin space to the right side of it, but these will go perfectly so that there is a little bit of a mirror there to look into. And also what I decided to pick up a few more of these for is I have this armoire that I have in my sunroom, and on the side of it I thought these would be great to place them on the side so that you could hang up a sweater or a purse when walking into it. I kind of made it like a little entry space because the sunroom is small. There is not a lot of space. So again, these are great for small spaces. Even in the motorhome, I decided on, in the bedroom, on the one side of the bed, because the other side is right up against the wall, there is a little end table, but I could place one of these there and I think it'll look really nice. So I really love these mirror decor pieces as well, because not only is it a mirror that you can look into, but it has the little knobs at the bottom, which are also so pretty in gold with the little crystal knob, and you can use them to hang up things as well. Okay, so next I picked up these adorable pineapple LED lights. Now these change color, which is really sweet, and these do say for indoor use only, but I have a covered deck, so I'm going to have them out there. It is covered, so it will protect them from rain or sun. And I just thought these were really adorable, so I did pick up a few of those. These signs were another repurchase, and these are great for the fall season with the words thankful and gather, but honestly, they're perfect for any time of year. I like how one of them, they left the darker wood on the inside. It is a faux wood on the back. It's just like the particle board MDF kind of material, but it does look like faux wood from the front. I like the light wood mixed in with a dark color, and then the word in the light shade as well. And this is actual wood, this part here. And then with the gather, it's all in the light shade, but definitely these are great too if you want to add some color to these. I think with mine, I already did buy a few of these, but I haven't done anything with them yet. But originally I was thinking with this one here, I would probably paint it white, like a whitewash on the faux shiplap, and then I would paint the word gather in black. I think that would look really nice, but definitely just as it is really pretty, or if you want to make it really colorful, that would be nice as well. These are really great signs. These two decor pieces, well actually they're the same one, just one is in the light faux wood and then one is painted in black. But these were new to me and my Dollar Tree, and I thought they were really nice decor pieces as well. I really love the wall decor that they're coming out with. So as you can see, it is a ladder, and then it has this little particle board little sign on it that says love. And then the one that's in black, as you can see, has the little particle board with the faux wood that says home. And these are really great to use in a tiered tray as well. You can have a lot of fun with these. And last but not least for this haul, I ended up coming across the 2024 12-month calendars. And normally the farmhouse calendars I always usually miss out on, but they must have just put these out when I had gone there because they had a ton of them. So I ended up picking up two, and I'll go through them one by one and open them up so that you can see each month as it looks. So when you first open it up, it says, "Be the sunshine," with the sunflowers and the bees. January says, "Let's get cozy." February, "Be mine, Valentine." March has this adorable bunny with the floral ring around it. April has Farm Life, Live, Laugh, Love, and that is the cover of the calendar with the cow. Again, Be the Sunshine for May. June is Life is Sweet, Enjoy Every Bite with the watermelon slices. July has again the red truck that says Home of the Brave on the side, and then it says Freedom. Love this one. August says Be You with the bee in the center. September is a little part of the bicycle with the basket. On the basket it says Joy, and then on the top it says Enjoy the Ride. That's September. October, again, the old-fashioned truck in green this time. On the side it says Patch with the pumpkin in behind, and then of course the pumpkins in the back. Happy Harvest. November says it's fall, y'all, with the black and white buffalo check in the back, and then the leaf wreath with some pine cones. And then December has 3 mason jars with the letters that spell out the word joy, and then the poinsettias inside. And that's December, and that is the 2024 12-month calendar with the cow. And then this one here says locally grown with the barn and the windmills on the side of the barn. And I did open that one up as well so we could go through it to see each month. So when you open it up, it says home sweet home with the greenery and some lemons. For January, we have goat's milk and cheese company, 1950, or established 1950. And then inside it says premium quality, really cute. For February, we have a wreath with some floral, and then a little tag sticking out with the XOXO, and then love in the center. March says hello spring, bloom where you are planted. And the little lamb, again some floral. April is the cover of the calendar, fruits, veggies, meats locally grown, again with the barn and the windmill on each side of the barn. May says cock-a-doodle-doo with the rooster. June says home sweet home, which is the inside of the cover with the greenery and lemon wreath. July says wild and free with some more florals in the red, blue, and white with some stars. August says the butcher's guide, cuts of pork, and then all the different sections of the pig, head, neck, picnic ham, Boston butt, loin, spare rib, bacon, hock, leg, or ham. And then here we have the Milk and Cream Company, established in 1950, always fresh, written on the cow. These ones I love, this one and the goat one. And that was September. October says hello October with some leaves. November says count your blessings with some white pumpkins and greenery. And then for December, again, the word joy in the center of a beautiful greenery leaf with some berries and pine cones. And that is the second calendar. So I love these. I'm really happy that I was able to pick them up and not have to wait for them. And that will do this Dollar Tree haul. It will complete it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.